My expectation is to meet some wonderful people, have fun, try to understand them, and maybe during conversation we can both learn from each other a little bit.
It's exciting. I'm there to be, hopefully impacted as much as I can impact them.
I'd like for them to know that the world is their oyster. They can be anything they want to be. They can do anything they want to do.
I think it's incredibly interesting to bridge a little bit the gaps between our lives. And I think the interaction of tomorrow should make it happen.
My name is Roshni. I am 17 years old. I live in Ambujwadi. My hobby is reading and my dream job is accountant.
Ambujwadi, this is the good place and not have a money, not have a waters and so difficult, but all people like Ambujwadi.
This is an NGO for LP4Y named Life Project for Youth. We are learn here English, computer and business training.
Tomorrow morning, Capgemini 20 leaders come.
Good feel, but it's small scare. This is the big boss, this is the very good knowledge. This is the I have no good knowledge. Okay, but I try.
दहलीज़ पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे है तूने कदम, तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम। हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना, हाँ सीखा जीना जीना मेरे हमदम।
अरे साहिल चुप ना रे चुप ना।
We have 200,000 people in our organization. We are a people organization. If we are a people organization, we need to care about people. Of those 200,000 people, we have 100,000 in India. And I think it's hard for us to come here regularly in our beautiful cars, go to our buildings, and completely ignore the rest of the world.
This kind of initiative is what makes us a great employer. If we don't support the community in which we live in and bring up the people within the community, then we are not giving back to the community. This is the essence of who we are.
My family is so happy. All foreigners here come and I go my home and visit my family.
It was an amazing experience. It was, I think it's something many people have to do. We visited the family, really poor family, so we really felt the poverty, but at the same time we see the hospitality, the dreams, the happiness of the family.
It was a life-changing experience for me. So I'm extremely delighted that I could find this time to come here. It was a privilege and I'm overwhelmed. I don't have words. I'm overwhelmed.
We went back to the training center. One by one youth, one leader. They had to get to know each other. They had to present themselves.
He said, before 22 years, I do the job of accountant and now I am a CEO of Capgemini.
Her favorite song is No Man Liaumbe. Ambe.
She wants to become an accountant. There's no way she's not gonna make it. She's gonna be an accountant because she knows what she wants. She's very fast, she's super smart. I mean, she'll do fabulous.
Yes, it's my dream.
Just a mixture of emotions. It's a feeling of being very humbled, overwhelmed, and I'm coming out really enriched.
Thank you for Capgemini team because I met so many people and so many countries.
Capgemini providing us an opportunity to, come here. I think that's a pretty good feeling. I think I'll be visiting here again.
To be honest, you have to experience. You have to experience. It's when when you feel something new in life. Until you do not experience, you don't know what is this.
I think it's really created a human experience, and it's what we like to do with CSR, creating some human experience.
We live in a different world, and you need to come here to see the real world.